Hello, guys, and welcome back to another live at Voice of Crypto with David Blanche. Before we get into any content, I would love to remind that I'm not a financial advisor and you must do your own market research. With that said, today's topic is institutional investors flock to Sol. Well, let's have a look on Solana price and what could potentially happen to Solana and more. What is actually currently playing out for BTC? Um, let's straight away go to the Bitcoin price as usual. It is the one who leads the crypto market. So I remain bullish and open on my position. As I mentioned yesterday, I have my stop loss somewhere around 61,800, somewhere around, yeah, around here, just at the bottom of this elephant bar. However, we look like we're just going sideways. And I have a couple of bullish news to share also regarding BTC. So as long as we just keep going sideways and they go down, I will be on my long position still. Ethereum. Ethereum, it's of course.
That's what I reckoned.
Uh, um, One second, let me just change the page. Okay, Ethereum, it's also very, very similar. As long as we just hold here, however, we are going sideways for a little bit on ETH also. So I'm looking forward to see Ethereum once back at 3,400. I do believe that we are going to consolidate a little bit before taking out. However, I just got my stop loss somewhere around here at the bottom of the support. In case we break down, I will just get stopped and exit my ETH long positions. But right now, it's pretty boring to be fair. But sometimes you have to be patient and wait to see the play out. Moving into Solana price, so USDT. Let's have a look on Solana. So regardless of whatever is going on, Solana it is looking into the buying zone. I really, really believe that. However, the 200 EMA is a little bit to the downside on the 4 hourly time frame, but having an outlook on the support and resistance, I do believe that we are going to go back to 200 once more sooner or later. So if you haven't entered your long position, not Solana yet, just go to the 1 hour time frame and choose the best momentum and opportunity. But I do believe as everything else is consolidating, Solana is also consolidating and could potentially start the next rally very, very soon. But guys, we have to wait on Bitcoin to take decisions and to make our next trades. Okay, so everybody's keeping on a neutral side at Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's have a look on today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. Today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, the global crypto market cap is currently at 2.36 trillion, a 0.40% increase over the last day. So probably nothing compared to what we actually expect, but we're literally just going sideways. What can I say? Everybody is neutral. Fear and greedy index is at neutral at the moment. So I guess everybody is waiting to take the next trade. So we just had this top community post. Let me read on the first page. 1 second. Just in the SEC expected to deny the spot Ethereum ETFs next month. Reuters report the SEC expect to deny the spot Ethereum ETF next month. So, however, these players, they do manipulate the market so much. But if we are going to see the Ethereum ETF anytime, it is going to be very bullish. And even if they just don't accept it yet, they will eventually take the Ethereum ETF as they did with the BTC. Okay, so we have to wait. Before we move back to top losers and gainers, I would love to bring this news today. According to Cointelegraph, the giant buy signal crypto whales transfer 1.3 billion to Coinbase. Several huge USDC transfer totaling in 1.3 billion could be a huge buy signal for Bitcoin and Ethereum, according to these market observers. And that was published today. A total of 1.3 billion of USDC coin in transfers from apparently well addressed to crypto exchange Coinbase on Thursday could potentially be a giant buy signal for Bitcoin and Ethereum, according to the market observes. USDC moving on to exchange in a giant buy signal, as the saying goes on internet money printer go brr. Crypto trader blockchain main total transfers totaling 1.3 billion, with the amount ranging from 150 million to 300 million were made to Coinbase on April 25 at 8:15 UTC, according to Etherscan data. Here we have the Wellbot Alert Telegram group data report. Traders often view large stablecoin deposit on an exchange as a bullish sign, indicating a possible large buy orders in the near future, while significant crypto deposit on exchange can signal a potential sell-off, making traders warn of a downturn. If this is indeed a well buying and a correct price, then yes, it can be big impact on the price of the asset they are buying, which at the level is almost set. Certainly, only Bitcoin and Ethereum. Crypto commentator Lark Davis, aka the Crypto Lark, told Cointelegraph. And we got the Bitcoin trading at 64,398 at the time of the publication, sourced by CoinMarketCap. However, crypto analysts agreed that the world movements are never a guarantee of an indicator for the crypto market. A lot of attention gets paid to the world's movements, but whenever really known what they are doing. Davis said, 1.3 billion is a good amount of capital, but it depends on where this is getting deployed. Crypto trader and YouTuber Brian Jung added. Davis also pointed out that whales might place limit orders instead of instantly buying the assets, which will instead create a strong support levels for the cryptocurrency they invested in. A limit order will go in, creating a buy wall that will act as a layer of price support for the asset, Davis explained. However, he warned it's never definitive how this large transfer will impact the market. Meanwhile, Zhang argued that the market could shift positively if a significant amount of funds were to go into a single crypto token, as we would see additional liquidity help move the price of other cryptos up. Although he is doubtful an investor would see the benefit of doing so due to overexposed risks. And the comment is, if this amount were deployed in a single altcoin with 100 million market cap, it would be absolutely spike the price. But I can't imagine any well in the right mind doing this, as it would make it nearly impossible for them to profitable by doing so. If it was used by Bitcoin, I wouldn't have similar effect, John added. The largest movement of funds happened despite the crypto market sentiment slightly declining, according to the Fear and Greedy Index. The greedy score dropped from 64.4 to a neutral level of 69.78 over the past 24 hours, suggesting a shift in traders' focus away accumulation. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading moves involves risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. So, we saw a massive buy signals from the top whales that could potentially drive the Bitcoin price up, or they could invest in altcoins. So I believe everybody is on a neutral moment waiting. If you have placed longs, I believe you are waiting as well. If you haven't, of course, you are waiting too. We had the hurry, we had all this massive money dropped in, and guys, it's strange, but as I mentioned, we have to wait to see what is going to happen, because Bitcoin does what Bitcoin wants to do, not what we want to see sometimes. So I believe there is a lot of manipulation once more going on, and all we have to do is wait. Honestly, it's better to wait than lose money, basically. So today's cryptocurrency gainers and losers, let's have a look on it. Today we have Bonk at the top gainers, currently up 9.48%. Second place, we have Near Protocol trading at 7.17, a 7.77% up to the upside on the past 24 hours. We have W token currently trading at 60 cents and is up 7.76%. We have BAT token 6.93%. We have new and others coin, but nothing like 40 or 30%. But however, 9%, 7%, it is already an interesting profit. Okay, we have Ape here currently up 3.11%. I honestly expect a little bit more upside for ApeCoin as the project itself is doing a lot of things from network currently up 2.83. Ethereum Classic trading at 26.87. We will ever see Ethereum Classic at least at around 100. I really believe and I hope so, honestly. Dog with a hat today. I remember that I told you yesterday that we were likely to start pumping at Dog with a hat, and I even made a GA. Let's just track our GA at Dog with a hat, USDT. Okay, so the GA is commonly playing out still as we broke the descending triangle on the 4 hourly time frame. So it's literally going sideways, but at some point, Dog with a hat, it will retest the resistance level, and I do really think that at least 4.0 would be the next target price for Dog with a hat, and I mentioned yesterday here as well. So let's keep tracking Dog with a hat. But going back to today's cryptocurrency gainers and losers, yeah, it's currently at 2.43% up. Shiba, it is apparently starting to move. So everything is quite following BTC at the moment, just consolidating and consolidating. But for sure, will start to take place very, very soon. Today, top losers, we have EOS currently at 0.81, has been down 5.39% on the past 24 hours, run 2.90. The Yes, guys, I'm back. We had some internet issues. Okay, I appreciate your patience, but however, let's go back to what we were talking about. The top losers of today, we have Pendo on a third place, currently trading at 5.68, a 4.80% drawdown. Okay, on the nothing crazy really. Moving back to cryptobubbles.net, we can see things in a different way. That is the daily. So today, on a daily side, we have Pendo down 5.4%. We have Town 3.1%. We have Ron 6.2% down. We have EOS 5% down. But going to the weekly, which is an interesting one to pick always. Okay, always the 7 day time frame is better to pick. So today's top ones to be longing would be Toncoin, that is down 24.6%. Su, that is down 9%, Von 9.2%, APT, that is down 7.5%, Enam 16.4%. But definitely the top one to be longing today will be Toncoin. And the only thing is, you have to be careful on an entry time. But if you can actually hold, those are very, very great and interesting opportunities to be looking at today. However, we saw this massive buy order from Wells. So now we just have to kind of know if they are literally putting this money into BTC or altcoins. However, it is an interesting signal to, not be only based on it, but there is a couple of things to think about. And sometimes when we're going sideways, at some point we have to break down or break up. So the movement, it is about to happen. Best thing to do is to wait right now and see what Bitcoin is going to do. However, we can take our next trading decisions. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Join Voice of Crypto Telegram if you like to know about everything that is happening on the industry. And I'll see you guys on the next one.